Instructors can export tests, surveys, and pools as zip files for each test, survey, or pool, one by one. This can be done if only the tests, surveys, or pools are needed. That is, course contents are not needed. These tests, surveys, and pools will be undeployed when restored. They have to be deployed explicitly within the course after importing. In order to export a test, click the course, and under Control Panel, expand Course Tools, and click on Tests, Survey, and Pools. This page shows all the tests, surveys, and pools created in this course. Click on the tests. This will show all the tests, with their details. For any test, click on the drop-down beside the test name and click on Export to Local Computer. This will generate the zip file for the test, which is downloaded in your local computer, typically in your Downloads folder. This has to be done for each test, one by one. Finally, the surveys and pools have to be exported in a similar way.